Just got this 17 horsepower Murray for $100. It does not run, but the tires are good. Everything's freed up. And we're gonna see what we can do with it, see if we can get it running. All right, here's the mower. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand so you can see. Good. Okay, here's the transmission torn off. You're gonna have to cut off this pulley unless you work some magic and somehow pull it off, but you don't want to damage this. Get you a smaller pulley. This is a 3-inch. That was probably a 8-inch. So when you're running a smaller pulley in the rear, the front has to work less hard. You know, for every 2 rotations the front makes, it'll turn this once.